You get close up on that thing so you can really see.
So, hey, what's going on, guys? I currently have an issue with the 2020 Polaris Scrambler XP 1000. I'm sure it's a common problem. If y'all know that comes with the ATV world, it's the clicking noise. It won't turn over. And I believe it has something to do with the solenoid right here. But this starter solenoid, but I believe they told me it has another solenoid somewhere else, so I'm not too sure about that. I have to look off into that, but of course it's doing the clicking noise. So if I go, let me get up on here and I'm gonna show y'all the clicking noise it does. It's on. Hear the clicking. Click, click. Click, click. Nothing. So it's in neutral already. So how about I just put it in park and try it again. Full tank of gas, that's a good thing. But clicking noise. Click, click, click. If any of y'all have any advice of what this problem could be and how to help me, I will greatly appreciate it. But I'm missing my baby, man. I'm ready to get back on her and, you know what I'm saying, bring y'all more videos. So if anybody know or can help me with this problem, y'all please leave a comment down below. But yeah, that's what it is right here. This is the one that I know of. So anything else, I have to look, either take off the seat and shoot. Could be it. And on the way to pull it to the dock, to where I put it on, my truck, the belt. Let me show you guys the belt. See this piece of belt? This piece of belt, look. The belt. This inside here. I already took this off when I looked at it, and it wore. I don't know, wore off. I don't know. But I only had this ATV a couple of months. So, but I know the belt was an easy fix. One problem led to another. I guess you should be able to pull this in neutral, and I was pulling it in neutral, and all of a sudden it snapped. That's crazy. I don't know why it does that, but that's the issue that I'm having right now with the Polaris Scrambler XP 1000. Again, if y'all know how I can fix and bring my baby back to life, yes, she is a beauty, man, and she's very powerful one at that. Y'all please, you know what I'm saying, leave a comment below on the things I should check, you know, to get her back up and rolling, so I can put her back on her back with some wheelies. You know what I'm saying? Y'all enjoy the day.
Wait, so what do you press?